Welcome to this beginner's yoga flow that you can practice at any time during the day. We're going to stretch the whole body, so when you're ready, let's begin in a seated position. So place your hands on your knees and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. And out either through your nose or mouth. Good. As you take another inhale, roll your shoulders forward and up towards your ears. And as you exhale, melt them down. Bring your palms together and place them in front of your heart. Inhale, lift the arms up towards the sky, opening the chest. And as you exhale, lean to the left, placing the left hand on the mat and right arm reaches over your head for a side stretch. If you notice that the right side of your body is lifting off the floor, then try your best to push the right hip down to the mat. Bend the right elbow, place the right hand behind your head, and as you inhale, look up towards the sky, opening the chest just a little bit more. Then exhale, close the chest by pushing the right elbow towards the left. And inhale, open again. Return to center. And now let's switch sides. Place the right hand on the mat and left arm reaches up and overhead. Feel a nice stretch in the left side of your torso. Bend the left elbow, place the left hand behind your head. Inhale, look up towards the sky and open the chest just a little bit more. Exhale, close the chest, push the left elbow towards the right. Then inhale, open the chest. And come back to center. Now coming to tabletop. So wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Turn the fingers to the side of the mat and we're going to gently rock from side to side. Feel the stretch in the wrists and you can choose how far you want to lean to the side and then the other one. Just make sure you're not feeling any pain in the wrists, the arms, and the shoulders. 3 more. 2 more. And last one. So turn your hands so the fingers are facing forward. Bring the big toes together. And as you exhale, send your hips to your heels. With an inhale, round the spine and ripple forwards until your shoulders are on top of your wrists. And then you have the option to either have your spine straight or you can arch your back by dipping the belly towards the mat. Then exhale, push your hips to your heels. And inhale forwards. Again, exhale back. Inhale forwards. And continue like this, aligning this movement with your breath. You can also go at your own rhythm. So if you want to go faster, you can go faster, or you can go slower. 2 more. One more. Now go back into a neutral position, so knees and feet are as wide as your hip. From here, tug the toes under and send your hips up towards the sky. Carefully walk towards your hands. And you can keep a slight bend in your knees if you want, or you can keep your legs straight. Inhale halfway for Ardha Uttanasana. Hands can stay on the mat, or a great option is to place your hands on your thighs. Spine is straight. Then exhale, fold. Inhale, roll all the way up. Extend your arms over your head. Bring your palms together. Open the chest. Then exhale, lower the arms. Step the left foot forward and keep it where it is. And send the right foot all the way back and parallel to the end of the mat. So we're gonna get into warrior two. Arms are gonna be as high as your shoulders and parallel to the floor. And as you exhale, bend the left knee, squeezing the left knee open. Check that the knee is on top of the ankle and shoulders are on top of your hips. Gaze over the left middle finger and take a deep inhale. Beautiful, then exhale. Notice all the sensations in your body. On your next inhale, we're gonna reverse by placing the right hand on the back of the right leg and left arm reaches overhead for a side stretch. Inhale, straighten the left leg. Then exhale, arms parallel to the floor. From here, we're gonna get into tree pose, or also called Trikonasana. So start leaning towards the left, pushing the hips back. And once you reach your max, drop the left hand either to the chin, the mat, or you can take the peace fingers and grab the big toes. Right arm reaches up towards the sky, opening the chest and the hip. Breathe in through your nose. And out. On your next inhale, engage your core and your legs and push yourself up. And we're gonna repeat the same on the other side. So bring the left toes in, open the right foot, arms parallel to the floor and as high as your shoulder. Bend the right knee and squeeze the right thigh open. Make sure that your shoulders are on top of your hip. Gaze over the right middle finger. Notice all the sensations in your body. Take an inhale. Then exhale. Inhale, reverse. Place the left hand on the back of the left leg and right arm reaches over your head. Inhale, straighten the right leg. And exhale, arms parallel to the floor. From here, we're gonna get into Trikonasana. So inhale, move towards the right. And once you reach your max, then you can place the hand either on the chin, the mat, or grab the big toe. Left arm reaches up towards the sky. And you can look towards the left hand. Take an inhale. And exhale. On your next inhale, engage the core, the legs, and push yourself up. Bring the right toes in for a wide-legged position. We're gonna fold forward, so we're gonna hinge from the hip, and you can keep a slight bend in your knees to make it more accessible. As you fold, place your hands on the floor and drop your head. Try to relax your shoulders, your neck, and your head. And if you want, you can rock from side to side. Trying to let go of any tension in your upper body. Come back to center, lower the knees to the mat. And we're gonna go onto our backs. Bend the knees and grab onto your hamstrings to roll all the way down to the mat. Bring your knees into your chest and give your legs a nice hug. You can rock from side to side if you want. As you exhale, drop the legs towards the right. Arms are in a T shape. And drop your head to your left. Return to center, and this time drop your legs to your left and your head to your right for a spinal twist. Come back to center and extend your legs as wide as your mat to get into Shavasana. You can place your hands by your hip and relax your whole body. Take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, let go of any tension. Relax your body. Thank you so much for joining me in this session, and I'll see you in the next class. Namaste.